Hello students, welcome back again to my channel. So today again we are going to solve the different question from sample paper 2 of your session 2025. Sorry, my mistake, sample paper 1, not 2. So this is the question number 2. Okay. In the previous video, I have shown you how to solve question number 1. So now I am going to show you question number 2, how to solve it. This is a MCQ based question. We'll get this in the section A. Okay, let us start. So let us read the question first. If the square of difference of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus px plus 45 is equal to 144. So what that means? Square of difference of the zeros. Okay, so let us start with the solution. So we know that we normally in quadratic equation we denote the zeros as alpha and beta. So according to question, the difference of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. So difference of zeros means alpha minus beta and square of it. That is given as 140. This is one part is given. Okay. Now there is another part, that is the quadratic polynomial. So let us take at the quadratic. X square plus px plus 45. Okay. So from this quadratic polynomial, we know that if alpha and beta are the zeros, we know there is a relationship with the coefficient of the quadratic, right? So we know that alpha plus beta, let us first write it, the original form of the polynomial first, you can understand. So we know that the generic form of the polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, right? So if we consider alpha and beta are the two zeros, then alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a and alpha beta equal to c by a. This is a generic form, we know it. Now look at this polynomial. Okay. So in this case, what is your b and a value? Let us write all the a, b and c value. Okay. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to p, and c is equal to 45. So keep it in mind, if here in case of plus, if it is written as minus b, then b value will be negative. Okay. So now here alpha and beta will be, alpha plus beta will be according to this formula, minus b by a means minus p by 1, that is minus p. And your alpha beta will be c by a, that means 45 by 1. So what we got? Alpha plus beta and alpha beta. And also we know that it is given alpha minus beta whole square equal to 144. This is according to question. This is given. Okay. So now we have to, we know the value of alpha plus beta. We know alpha beta. Now we can apply a identity. Okay. So I think you all know that a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So we are going to apply this identity over here. So alpha plus minus beta whole square means alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta equal to 140. So now replace the value, that is minus b whole square plus, sorry, minus 4 into 45 means b square minus 80, 140. That means p square equal to 180 plus 144, which is 320. So that means p equal to square root of 54, which can be positive or negative of t. So you have to, for this one, you have to memorize the square root table, right? Like which one is square of which. Okay, so this table you need to always memorize. Try to memorize at least 20 or 30. And this will help you to solve the problems very quickly. So 18 square is 324. Now the final answer will be, because they asked for the p-value, so we got the p-value. So answer will be option number D. So for MCQ, don't forget to write the final answer like this. Okay? The option number and the answer. Hope this is clear to you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.